A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Dear class 4 students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all will be fine and healthy. Welcome to mathematics class. Dear students, our today's mathematics class topic is rules of divisibility. Dear students, today we are learning about rules of divisibility. Students, before knowing rules of divisibility, let us come to understand the word divisibility. Dear students, the word divisibility comes from division. Now, what is divisibility? Let us try to understand the word divisibility. A number is said to be divisible by another number if the remainder is 0. Dear students, this sentence means that if one number is divided by another number, there should be 0 remainder. Or in other words, we can say if one number is divided by another number, then there should be no remainder there. Students, let us understand the same divisibility definition by this example. 2 goes evenly into 34. So 34 is divisible by 2. But 3 would leave us with a remainder. So 34 is not divisible by 3. Dear students, this example means that if we divide 34 by 2, it will give us 0 remainder, which means that 34 will be divisible by 2. While if the same 34 is divided by 3, if the same 34 is divided by 3, it will give us some remainder, which means that 34 will not be divisible by 3. So this was about a real example of divisibility. Students, let us move to the rules of divisibility more. Students, let us go to the definition of rules of divisibility. It is a shortest way of determining whether a given integer is divisible by a fixed divisor without performing the actual long division method. Student, it's a very simple definition. According to this definition, a given integer is divisible by a fixed divisor. Students, integer is a whole number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. While divisor is also another number which divides the first number. Students, according to this definition, we will be able to say that rules of divisibility method is used to avoid actual long division method. Students, whenever we want to avoid actual long division method, we come to use rules of divisibility. Students, as I have told you about integer and divisor and the given definition of rules of divisibility, let us move to the separate definitions of integer and divisor. Students, first of all, we move to know the definition of integer. As I told you that it means a whole number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. Students, if we try to understand integer in a simple words, we can say a thing complete in itself will be called an integer. Students, as I told you that integer is a whole number like 0, 2, 3, 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0, 1, 2, 3, then -1, -2, -3, -4, etc. These all are integers. So this was about integers. Now let us move to the second term, divisor. Students, what is a divisor? A number by which another number is to be divided is called divisor. For example, we take 45 divided by 5. Here 5 is divisor because it divides 45, while 45 is called dividend because dividend is a number to be divided by another number 5 called divisor. Students, this was a concept of divisor which were using in the definition of rules of divisibility. Students, we have many rules of divisibility. Let us move to the first rule of divisibility now. Students, the first rule is any number with these digits 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 at the unit place is divisible by 2. For example, if you take these numbers, you can see that these numbers have 2, 4, 8, 6, and 0 at their unit places. So these are the numbers whose unit place digits are 2, 4, 8, 6, 0. So therefore they are divisible by 2. Students, in other words, we can say about this first rule that all even numbers are divisible by 2. Similarly, we take other big numbers, examples like 768, 8,726, and 98,134 are the numbers whose unit place digits are 8, 6, and 4. Therefore, these numbers are also divisible by 2. Students, this was a short concept of the first rule of divisibility, which was of 2. Dear students, I hope you all will have got it. Inshallah, we all will be understanding the other rules of divisibility in our next mathematics lecture. Till that, thank you very much. Best of luck. Thank you.